What's up guys, this is IappleJ, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to get a custom boot logo and a custom recovery logo without a full restore. So that means you don't lose any apps or music or videos or whatever you have stored on your iPod. And this is for the iPod Touch 2G, and you need to be jailbroken. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to this site, links in the description, www.quickfreedom.com, and press download now. I already did that, so pause it here, and once it's done, install it and come back. So I'm gonna close out of this and start up Quick Freedom. You have three options. We're gonna choose for change logo, and here you can select preset logos, or you can use your own custom and press it, and it's got to be a .png file or else it won't work and you have a black recovery logo or boot logo. I like this one, and as boot logo I'm gonna take this one, and you press OK. It's gonna create the firmware for you and all the stuff. I already did it, so I cancel out of this, and yeah, pause it again, and once it's done, come back. Yeah, so we're going to the next step. You need to put it into recovery mode. You can press this button, and if you are lucky it works, but it doesn't work for me. And press manual instructions, and it says to place your iPod into recovery mode, turn off your iPod, connect your iPod to your computer while holding the home button, and wait 10 seconds. When you see the recovery logo, your iPod is in recovery mode. So easy. I'm gonna take it like this. No, this ain't. What I'm gonna do? Oh, wait. First, turn your iPod off. Like this. And wait till it's totally turned off. Like that. And then unplug it from your computer. And you hear the disconnect sound. And now, I can't really show you guys because I don't have my standard here. But I'm gonna do it like this. Press the home button. And while you're pressing the home button, connect it to your computer. Like this. And keep holding it, very important. So, and here you see the recovery logo. I already did it once, as you see. So this is my custom recovery logo. Like this. And yeah, and Quick Freedom says your iPod is ready to be restored. So what we're gonna do now is go into iTunes. Yeah, sometimes it will pop up automatically. My computer is a little slow, guys. I'm downloading something right now, so there it is. And what we're gonna do now is the file, the custom firmware you created is here on your desktop, custom NOR. And what we're gonna do is a restore, but it won't delete your apps or something. So we're gonna hold shift, and while holding shift we're gonna press restore. So I can show you that, but right now pressing shift and click on restore. So So it will give you this pop-up. Yeah, mine is already in the good file. So just go to your desktop. It's really weird. Desktop, and just search for your custom NOR. There it is. Click on it and press open. And right now it's just gonna restore, and yeah, you can keep this video on because I'm gonna show you like there it is, my new custom boot logo, and it's just gonna restore and boot up, and then you have a custom boot logo. So and custom recovery logo. Yeah, that was it for this video. I hope this helped you guys. It's kinda easy. Don't need to resync all your apps and all that stuff. So I'm gonna see you guys later. Peace out.